Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am here going on a trip in 2-3 days, something like that. And I have here a charging USB-C 6-port charger. So it's got USB ports, and I think it's got 3 USB-C ports and 3 regular USB ports because I've got to be able to charge a lot of stuff as I go. So let's open this thing up and check it out. So it comes with instructions. Basically plug it in and plug your stuff into it. And then it's got the wattages here on it, which is interesting here. So we have a 20 volt, I don't know, on the type 1C, So the number 1 output seems like it's gonna have the most power. So I'm gonna see if I can charge my laptop with it. So this is what it looks like here. So I opened it up and you can see this is how it looks here. So it even says PD 65 watts, so it's got 65 watts on that top one. It's kind of nice. So I can probably charge my laptop with the top one. I'll go, oh, here's some more information there. So can you see it without it glaring too much, hopefully? There we go. So we can see that it does 100 to 240 volts, so it can do that. We'll try it out. So it comes with the little wire for it too. This one here, it doesn't plug directly in. It's got a wire, which is nice because like if you're at a hotel or something, I'll be on a cruise ship. I don't know where the port's gonna be, so I wanna be able to get it close to wherever I am. So I got a little bit of extra distance here. So let's plug this into the wall. I have a wall back here. Let's see. There we go. And it lights up so we know it's on. And I'm gonna try it here with my laptop. So I'm gonna plug into the top port with the wire and plug it into my laptop. Oh my gosh, this wire is broken, but it is charging. So I can see that right now it says power source, power adapter, and charging. I guess it's charging here. It's on hold at 89%, so it's a high enough percentage. But you can see, seems to be working, so pretty nice and super nice and convenient, not too heavy or anything like that. I have a couple of other ones, but they don't have one that has 3 and 3. So I can charge my phone, my iPad, my watch, and basically everything I want on this one adapter, which is so nice. So I can just bring this one and be all set to go. So definitely a thumbs up from me on this. What brand does it say it is? G-U-S-I-S-H-U. Gus, I guess Gus-a-shoe. Gus-a-shoe. So if you guys need one of these things, definitely pick it up. I'll let you know after the trip how it goes, but I don't see why it would go wrong. It's actually kind of attractive looking too. It's a nice little gray. Usually you end up with just a black or a white one, so it's actually kind of cool. It actually matches my laptop a little bit. But I don't know, thumbs up from me. Links in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Like this video, subscribe to my channel as usual, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching, bye.